morning, Scots. I'm Kim.
Welcome back to Scots Weekly. I'm Silas.
Our last show of 2023.
Yes, year 2024 is coming soon.
Let's get into the final announcements of the year.
First, formal tickets are still available, $60 with ASB sticker.
$65 without ASB sticker.
Remember, everyone, don't be scared to ask someone to winter formal. Here's a quick example.
Savannah on the go interrupting this segment. So as an example, like the last guy said, I'm asking my boyfriend, Xander, you're going to go to formal with me and you have no choice. All right, thank you. Bye!
Let's get back to the final two announcements.
Second, congrats to Highlands mock trial team who were victorious in round 1.
Kudos to everyone in the team this year, and an extra special shout out to Maya Wright, who all 3 judges chose as the number 1 witness,
which puts her in the running for best witness out of all teams.
Round 2 will be Highlands defense against Golden Hawks on Wednesday, January 10th. Go Scots!
Third, teachers, give out some plaid points to your students for all their hard work they have done the first semester.
Now we'll be moving on with the sports team.
What's going on, Scots? I'm Julian Medina.
And I'm Peter Parra.
Here's a quick recap.
First, girls tennis won the CIF Central Section Division 5 Championship. This is the first section championship since fall of 2006.
Girls cross country won CIF Central Section Division 2 champions. They have won 3 straight section championships.
Girls cross country and track and field athlete Mia Torcia signed with University of New Mexico.
Go Scots!
Here are the sports events to look forward towards in the second semester. Basketball, soccer, wrestling, baseball, softball, boys tennis, boys golf, boys and girls track and field, boys and girls swim and dive.
If you have any questions about those sports, remember to stop by the athletics office or ask your teacher.
That's it for us.
Happy holidays from the video production program.
Let's go back with Kim and Silas.
Thank you guys for that recap.
It's time for
Savannah
On the Go.
Savannah on the go. Hi, my name is Savannah, and this is Savannah on the Go. Today, we're going to be taking a little twist on things, and we're going to be interviewing people at the Highland High School Christmas Rally. Let's go. Hi, who am I speaking with?
Nancy Adako.
Nice to meet you. And do you like gingerbread?
No, I don't.
No?
No.
Moving on. Who am I speaking with?
Rachel Sewura, the junior class president.
Nice to meet you. And do you like gingerbread?
I do. I really like gingerbread.
You do? What type? Just gingerbread?
Just gingerbread.
Just gingerbread. Just gingerbread. Just gingerbread.
Yeah.
All right, just gingerbread, man. Do you like gingerbread?
Yes.
What's your name?
Alexis.
Gingerbread is valid. Who am I speaking with?
Addison.
Nice to meet you. And do you like gingerbread?
Oh, I love gingerbread.
With?
Mr. Thompson.
Nice to meet you. And do you like gingerbread?
I'm very particular about my gingerbread. I need it to be very gingery. I want it to be spicy. Okay?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I don't want no generic gingerbread. Homemade gingerbread, top notch.
Oh yeah. It's gotta be spicy, guys.
Spicy.
Spicy.
Spice.
Oh, who am I speaking with?
Mr. Zavala, what's going on?
Do you like gingerbread?
Not really, no.
Do you like gingerbread?
Sometimes.
And what is your name?
I'm Mr. Talafaro.
All right, thank you. Who am I speaking with?
Brylan.
Nice to meet you. Do you like gingerbread?
Can I have you guys come to the middle, please, when you're ready?
Do you like gingerbread?
No.
And what is your name?
What?
What is your name?
Lauren.
30 seconds to get out.
Who am I speaking with? Katie Johnson. Nice to meet you. Do you like gingerbread? Not really. Hi. Hi. Who am I speaking with? Ryan Brandon. Nice to meet you. Do you like gingerbread? What? Do you like gingerbread? No. Oh my God. Hi. Who am I speaking with?
What?
Who am I speaking with?
Rick.
Nice to meet you. Do you like gingerbread?
Yes.
Oh my God. You like gingerbread?
Thank you for that segment.
Now we have the weather forecast for this Christmas weekend.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to the weather segment. I'm Ashira.
And I'm Hannah. Friday we will have a high of 61 and a low of 46.
Saturday, we'll have a high of 61 and a low of 45.
Sunday we will have a high of 49 and a low of 41.
Monday, we will have a high of 60 and a low of 42.
Tuesday we will have a high of 62 and a low of 48.
And that's the weather for next week. And remember to check the weather app on your phone for any new updates.
Thank you, Hannah and Ashara.
students and staff members here at Highland, we want to say happy holidays to everyone.
Enjoy your times with your friends and family during the break.
And always remember to
Plaid up. Here at Highland High School.
Go Scots!